Hey guys, hope you are doing well and you are enjoying this massive pump. So we are heading into the new year and the second week in 2023 is a green. So it's a huge green candle. Also Bitcoin and altcoins, and this is amazing. It looks like then the bulls are back. My name is Mike Denkler from CorionX and we are bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems to keep you updated and educated about the evolution of money and the evolution of the internet, because we are here for crypto. So guys, smash those like, push the bell and notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smashing those like is helping out the YouTube algorithm, so be sure smash those like. So guys, let's go and check out our favorite bubble chart. Let's see what's happening out there. And yes, so Bitcoin and Ethereum is slightly up, but holding Bitcoin just below 21,000 US dollar and Ethereum about 1,500 US dollar. And we see few altcoins are pumping, especially FTT, the token of FTX exchange, but I think this is a dead token, or this could be a dead can bounce. And also Frax, Mana, Helium, Sand, Flow, and Filecoin GRT pumping well. And we see a few altcoins are heading into an altcoin season. If Bitcoin will not break down, then we might see further pumps amongst altcoins. So guys, what about the crypto and fear index? What a surprise, it is at 52. So guys, a long period of time, after a long period of time, we see the crypto fear and greed index above 50 in the neutral zone. And if we are looking back, you see in the past 3 months, this is the first time that we are above 50, and also we spent almost the entire last year below these 50 levels. So we'll see if this is just a failed attempt to get back to a more confidence and some greediness in the crypto market, or this is some changing point here. So let's go and check out our first news, that Bitcoin price blast past 21,000 US as 3-day short liquidations near 300 million US dollar. So this is one of the biggest liquidation in the past, and longs were liquidated. Bitcoin cracks key trend line for first time since 69,000. So this is the first time that we are tracking this. BTC USD took out its realized price at 19,700 and all-time high from the 2017 20,000 and the 200-day moving average. So this is 3 indicators that Bitcoin just took out. The later saw in first resistance support challenge in October 2021. So let's check this chart, and we see this is the 200-day moving average, and Bitcoin just broke this. And whereas similar to Ethereum, BTC is gaining momentum. Buckle up volatility, material indicators concluded. Current BTC weekly candle is very close to equaling the weekly candle from April 2019 that confirmed a new bull market. So this is this recent candle. You see, this is one of the biggest green candle we have ever seen, and similar candle we see on the chart in 2022 in 2020, and this started the new bull market, but also that was this COVID crash after that. So Bitcoin short liquidations set 18 months record. So 18 months record on shorts, and as you see, these are shorts. I think if I'm adding all these short liquidations, it's almost 1 billion US dollar, just my guess. So liquidations totaled nearly 775 million for the same 3-day, but the last week I guess this is at least 1 billion. Okay, USD denominated shorts getting liquid is opposite effect of crypto denominated longs unwinding. 30,000 summer bottom was set day of FTX fresh raise. Okay, so BTC futures shows liquidation, a huge short candle, one of the biggest short candle just in July last year. Cool, good to see that. Next piece of news is quant analyst Plan B says Bitcoin bottom is in, BTC to explode by up to almost 5,000%. Here is his timeline, so exactly 4,689%. So my 2 cents on Bitcoin price, we will check it on my Twitter feed. In fact, I think the bull market range will be 100,000 to 1 million, but many people don't understand the wide margins or the volatility that creates them. So I pinned it at the indeed comfortable 100,000. So he expects that we will reach 100,000 easily in the next bull market that's starting in next year. Crypto analyst issues Bitcoin, Ethereum and altcoin warning after BTC $21,000 explosion. Okay, so CryptoCapo again, big bounces. According to Capo, there are critical resistance around the 21,000 to 22,000 area. Market is bouncing more than expected. That it's a certainty. Now is the bearish scenario invalidated? I'm going to explain why I think new lows are still likely. BTC is still testing major resistance. Weekly close will be key, but there is no bullish confirmation yet. So he is evaluating this pump, and he sees that at $21,000 there is a huge resistance, and also he sees a potential bottom at 12,000. This is also clear on Ethereum total and others. So Ethereum, he expects 600 and 650, and the total crypto market cap crashing down below 300 million US dollars. And actually he's still bearish. Traditional markets downtrend is intact too. SPX keeps forming lower highs all the time, and earnings session is expected to be bad. But this is the first, second and third attempt to break this huge wedge, the upper level of the wedge. We'll see. Okay, our next piece of news is ARK Invest says Bitcoin hodlers remained strong in 2022 with BTC Prime for major move. Let's check this. In our view, although the spending of altcoins is common in bear markets, low value of coin days destroyed conveys that hodlers remain strong despite the multiple frauds and gray swans during 2022. So not black swans but gray swans. a new term. Although the volatility generally is a neutral signal, in our view it doesn't suggest an upcoming expansion in the form of breakout or breakdown. We believe important market direction may come during the first quarter of 2023 given the potential impulse to the price move. Okay, so at the time of writing, Bitcoin is changing hands at 18,800, so we are after 2 days much higher. Next, top crypto trader predicts parabolic Bitcoin surge to new all-time high this year. Here is his target, so new all-time high in this year. So he is a credible crypto. 21,500 has been breached on future exchanges. Spot exchanges have hit just shy of 21,500, but I have seen what I need to. It's on. The bottom is officially in my opinion. Watch 18,000 for a pullback if we got one. So also I'm almost sitting on the sidelines, and also I'm waiting because I have traded this with leverage, but with my spot holdings. I'm just waiting a pullback, and we'll see if we get that. And here we go. The next impulse has either begun or it's imminent, and BTC dominance is beginning to spike of the tier region as expected, expecting a mega run in dominance as BTC rallies to a new all-time high over the next 6 months or so. It's happening again. So he sees some similarities back in, what was this year? In 2020, and the recent movement. Who is ready for the fifth wave to new all-time highs in 2023? BTC, and he is also using this Elliott wave practitioner, thinks that BTC is now on the verge of starting its fifth wave rally and route to a new all-time high at around 150,000 US dollar. So sorry guys, I cannot make this bigger, but at least you see that that was the correction wave 4, and the impulse wave 5 will take Bitcoin to 150,000, let's say. Cool, that's pretty amazing. Next, what will happen to Bitcoin over the next 8 years? Michael Saylor chips in. So Michael Saylor, founder of MicroStrategy, the first public firm that bought Bitcoin to its balance sheet. Institutional adoption. According to Michael Saylor, institutional adoption is one of the first drivers of the digital assets global store of value status in the coming years. The Bitcoin proponent believes institutional adoption is possible through the utterances of the United States Commodity Future Trading Commission, CFTC, the securities SECs, and decisions by traditional financial institutions. The explosion of Lightning Network also adding to this. I just described this as in 1991 you had TCP IP and we had the internet, but not many people used it. In 1994 you had the Netscape browser, and now that was the killer app for the internet, and pretty soon you had 100 million people download the browser and it's caught fire, he said. Okay, the billionaire also noted that macroeconomic headwinds such as the United States Federal Reserve's interest rates hikes are major factors that will help Bitcoin achieve a global store of value status. According to him, the combination of these factors will play out against the new reality. Bitcoin is the only digital commodity, is the only crypto asset, and there is no second best crypto asset. Yeah, so Bitcoin is the first and the best, as we all know that. Next, ChatGPT. So guys, OpenAI, artificial intelligence, using this new chatbot, ChatGPT answers crypto's biggest questions, Bitcoin or Ethereum. So the internet has become quickly fascinated by ChatGPT, the language model chatbot that seems to effortlessly provide long-term answers to any question. So it's not just a Google, but answering everything. So Bitcoin or Ethereum? We first asked what ChatGPT thought about Bitcoin. Does Bitcoin have intrinsic value? And yes, some people might argue that Bitcoin's decentralized nature and its ability to function as a digital asset of value could be considered an intrinsic value. Okay. So they asked to compare Bitcoin to Ethereum. It's often referred to as digital gold. It stated its primary use case is a digital alternative to traditional fiat currencies such as US dollar and euro. Who is Satoshi? ChatGPT isn't all-knowing. However, it admitted that the identity of Bitcoin's pseudonymic creator Satoshi Nakamoto has not been revealed and it's not publicly known. When asked if Bitcoin would ever become the world reserve currency, the bot didn't rule out the possibility. While it still lacks the infrastructure, regulation, and stability to be considered as such, it is still possible that the future may bring changes of this situation. Finally, ChatGPT is not a total no-coiner. Cryptocurrency and blockchain technology are not a scam, because they ask if Bitcoin and crypto is a scam or not. Next piece of news is also ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT Bitcoin's price prediction and it gave me a wonderful answer. Okay, so how would you name the biography of US CPI data? It answered the price is a wacky, a laugh out loud history of US CPI. Now I see why they call ChatGPT a naughty buy, and also they ask that users, so number of users, time it took to hit 1 million users to Facebook 2 years, Instagram 2 years, Pinterest 5 months, Angry Birds 34 days, and ChatGPT 5 days. That's a short period of time. ChatGPT is a large language generation model developed by OpenAI, backed by Elon Musk. Okay. ChatGPT for crypto. Most people with an IQ score between 85 and 115 will wonder how this text-based AI platform could be of help to crypto developers or crypto traders. Generates suggestions for trading strategies based on historical data, technical analysis, and other relevant factors. So guys, find the link in the description. We are in Daisy, and Daisy is using AI, artificial intelligence, in their crypto trading, and you can earn up, let's say, few percent weekly, maybe 5 or 10% weekly. So find the link, the Daisy CryptoMinds link in the description. So, and CryptoMinds is one of the arm of CorionX. Automate repetitive tasks such as monitoring price and trading on specific conditions, freeing up traders time to focus on more important tasks. Okay, they asked the price of the Bitcoin. Then I asked GPT to predict the price of Bitcoin for movie script. Well, so to himself, let's see if adoption continues to increase and the regulatory support remains constant. I predict that the price of Bitcoin will reach an all-time high of 50,000 in the next 6 months. But this is not an all-time high, so it's not correct. So 50,000 predictions doesn't look misleading indeed. ChatGPT has changed software development. However, 68.1% of software engineers still don't use this. So guys, we should definitely look into and learn more about ChatGPT. We will come out more AI related things, because also you should look at Fetch AI, Singularity, and Matrix AI, and different AI projects, because they can perform really well. But not a financial advice, as you know. Nothing is a financial advice on this channel, just education and entertainment purposes only. Grayscale replies to the SEC, argues that Bitcoin spot ETF denial is illogical. For more than 850,000 investors, converting GBTC to a spot Bitcoin ETF would unlock over $8 billion of value by providing the regulatory relief necessary for the product to simultaneously create and redeem shares, thereby enabling arbitrage to address both premiums and discounts of the shares and compare to net asset value. This conversion would also subject trading in GBTC to heighten the regulatory standards and enhance investors' protections. The SEC reluctance to further bring Bitcoin into the regulatory perimeter through a spot Bitcoin ETF has prevented US investors from gaining the Bitcoin investment exposure they both want and deserve. The order in this case is arbitrary to its core. Its central premise that the exchange surveillance sharing agreement with the CME provides adequate protection against fraud and manipulative in the Bitcoin futures market, but not the spot Bitcoin market, is illogical. Any fraud or manipulation in the spot market would necessarily affect the price of Bitcoin futures, thereby affecting the next asset value of an ETF exchange traded product holding either spot Bitcoin or Bitcoin futures, as well as the price investors pay for such an ETF's shares. So guys, I can totally understand with this. Next piece of news is, you know, that Tron founder Justin Sun are willing to invest $1 billion in DCG assets. Okay. Digital Currency Group, the current company of Genesis, which is facing some financial difficulties, is selling off its investment. Chinese cryptocurrency mogul Justin Sun has pledged to invest a whopping $1 billion to purchase this network. The temporary suspension of withdrawals, they are suspended. DCG is considering selling its assets because also Gemini earned, a close partner of Genesis, ended withdrawals and officially closed on the same days as this is the subsidiary Genesis, and there is a $3 billion debt that Genesis cannot manage. So guys, that's it. Let's go and check out my Twitter feed. Definitely follow me on Twitter at MIKLOS also follow at Corion Platform, and definitely follow at laserpunk_gods, our NFT launchpad project that CorionX will get special use cases and benefits on the Laserpunk Gods platform. So, what a surprise from Greg Gensler, SEC in Gemini Genesis battle. So, SEC is charging Gemini and Genesis for the unregistered offer sale of crypto asset securities. Tyler Winklevoss answer to the SEC is disappointing that SEC choose to file an action today, and other creditors are working hard together to recover funds with Gemini. This action does nothing to further our efforts and help earn users get their assets back. Their behavior is totally counterproductive. Yes. Bitcoin zoom out to 2025, new all-time high, it's coming. So plan B is 2 satoshis, that the low was at 15,500 in 2022 last year, and BTC has crossed short-term hodler STA and will rise into 2024, halving and subsequent 2025 bull market. Several on-chain signals confirm ST high signal, so short-term hodler signal. 2024 halving will be about 32,000, and the 2025 bull market about 100,000, so 100,000 Bitcoin price we are talking about. Give a like and share. We have got back to buy Bitcoin. We have to go back to buy Bitcoin. Give a like and share. Stablecoin movement is just sharing some educational information about DAI and the decentralized stablecoins, and 7 that simple ways you can use ChatGPT to 10x your productivity in 2023. This is why not to take any vaccines, because some strokes, if somebody was vaccinated with Pfizer, or I don't know, Pfizer, and there is some possible link to COVID vaccines and strokes. Miss Universe from El Salvador wearing Bitcoin outfit. So I like this, guys. I like this. So what an amazing outfit. I vote that she should be the Miss Universe. 200-week moving average will be tough for Bitcoin. We'll see. Give a like and also share this one. Animoca brands about metaverse. Check this out. Bitcoin's parabolic move should correct soon. I would like a short. I would like short this, but it doesn't want to short correcting. NFTs are technological innovations, and it's given a new tool for the artist. Our NFT launchpad Laserpunk Gods will offer unique features and utilities. Guys, give a like and share. Laserpunk Gods are here, and be engaged in Laserpunk Gods tweet, because then you will be on the whitelist. So give a like and share. And guys, that's it. Let's go and check out what we do have here. Let's go to Uniswap or PancakeSwap, provide some liquidity in CorionX Ethereum or CorionX BNB pairs, and lock up your LPs and earn up a juicy APRs from 100 to 300%, and then also you can compound your earned rewards. So check out our farms, and as you are holding CorionX, that you will get several benefits when we are getting to the launch of Laserpunk GOTS. So guys, let's go and check the BTC charts. So BTC is almost back to this trend line at 21,500, but now consolidating on the daily. On the 4-hourly is a consolidation. It's a clear bullish flag, so I will take a look on this bullish flag and trading. If it is breaking down, that it could be a Simpson bar, but if it's breaking out, then a new pump will come. What about Ethereum? Let's check Ethereum. So Ethereum is also holding nicely, and Ethereum is much higher than the almost the same. So almost the same. We haven't reached the levels. So Bitcoin is higher compared to its November levels. So guys, good to see this rally. Let me know in the comment section, do you think this is a trend reversal or this is a bull trap, or that can bounce or whatever? So let me know, but I expect some pullbacks to retest those previous levels. Guys, that's it for today. Be sure you are visiting our farms and providing some liquidity and earning some rewards. Follow me and our projects on Twitter, and also join our Telegram group. You can be active here, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Enjoy your week. Happy Monday. Bye bye.